Gilan ni. Maliit na sa kanya yan. Pero show grandma. Show grandma. Para na nga siyang si Jade na mag... When you were baby. And now, how you do it now? So quick. Ni? Ni? Ha? Why you're not wearing your black pants? Ayaw niya? Ah, okay. Thank you. Who's that? Who? Oh wow, is that oh, don't get awi. Is that awi? Oh. Oh, be careful with that. Don't wanna get awi. No. You really like that workshop tools, ha? May mumu na naman. Chay, may mumu dyan. Ayan, thank you.
Mommy, what this? You want to learn?
Tatrabaho lang tayo
Mommy,
eh.
you want to learn?
Oh, wow. Manood na lang pwede.
You want to learn? Mommy, do you want to learn?
Oh, you're making a line? Can you do a straight line?
Yeah, what is
Straight line. Nice. Good job.
I mean, road.
Oh, wow. Let me see. Smile.
Cheese.
Hindi, ay, wala naman ako makita ng cheese. You really like that? Where did we buy that? Where did we buy that green one, Dad? Huh? Oh, really? That one? What is the name?
Ken.
It's right here on the side of the box.
Huh?
They have beaten me too.
Oo nga.
So this one, better one. You try the other one now.
Pinagalitan ko nga yan.
It's tiny one.
Pinagalitan ko ah.
This is enough.
Yan, si Julin.
And this enough. And enough.
Oh.
And more.
Paano pagbaba niya sa bus, nakatali yung sintas niya? Pareho?
It's enough.
Kaya pag maglakad siya, muntik na siyang madapa.
Do I now?
So, di man lang niya napansin, tinali ng kasama niya sa bus. Dakdakan. Di mo lang mapansinan?